This video provides a solution to the end of chapter Questions and Problems 13.12. We're going to use the option portfolio workbook to solve this problem. Today is May 8th, 2025. The asset price is $100, its volatility is 20%, and the risk-free interest rate is 5%. So the first thing we do is make sure the market data in the problem matches that in the spreadsheet. So we switch back to the spreadsheet, May 8th, 2025, spot of 100, volatility 20%, risk-free interest rate 5%. So that all matches. You are long 2,000 European call options with strike 102 and maturity November 8th, 2025. Okay, so to book some options, we go to the option button. We are long 2,000 call options with a strike of 102 and a maturity November 8th, 2025. I'm going to book these at fair value. Click book, and we can see the options are now in the spreadsheet with a payment, and the present value is 0. Okay, first question, what is the gamma of our position? Okay, that's given on this front sheet. We've got that on the balance sheet. The gamma is 55.88554. If I go to my chart tools, I can change the chart to be gamma, and we can see what that looks like. That's our standard gamma graph. Okay, next part. If you want to hedge the gamma of this position with European put options with strike 96 and maturity May 8th, 2026, how many options should you trade? Okay, I can do this in a couple of ways, but what I'm going to do is book one option, figure out how many options to trade given that gamma, and then reset my portfolio so I can book all the options. So switch back. So I'm going to book one option. It's a put option with strike 96 and maturity May 8th, 2026. That option is worth 4.04, so we're going to just book that into a spreadsheet. And we can see our gamma has changed, but if I go look at my European options for a second, I can see here's the 2,000 call options, strike 102, that's my position. And here are my put options, just one of them, and it's got a gamma of 0.02. Okay, so if I take this gamma and divide it by this other gamma, we need 3,265 options. I'll write that down, 3,265 options. And the easiest thing to do here would just be to start over, rebook the original trade, and we can see it. Alternatively, we could delete the put option and the payment for the put option and just check. But we know we want 3,265, and actually because the gamma on the calls and the puts are both positive, we want to go short those options. So let me go back to the summary. I'm going to clear all. I'm going to book the original options again. So that was 2,000 call options with a strike of 102, November 8th, 2025. That was my original position. There's my original option position. And now we're going to hedge. We want to go short 3,265 put options with a strike of 96 and a maturity of May 8th, 2026. Let's do that fair value. Book the option. And if we've done everything correctly, which it looks like we have hedged our gamma. If we look at our portfolio, we are long some options here, and we are short some options here, right? The actual strike on the short option position is here at 96. The strike on the long option position is 102. Those two positions offset. Again, instantaneously at this spot level, the gamma is 0, but you can see as the market moves around, our gamma is no longer going to be 0.